with too much water. That rainy Friday led to flooding and other problems in our area, and more rain is coming. News Channel 6's Ashley Flette live for us tonight right alongside the Augusta Canal, one of a few waterways that went over its banks last week.
That's right, Brad. That's one of the water banks that was causing an issue over the weekend. A lot of families and homeowners are probably now wishing that they had flood insurance. I spoke to one businessman who tells me it's something you really need to consider when you're looking at buying a home. The high amount of rainfall has called Surf Pro of Augusta to have all hands on deck. Todd Corey is one of the owners of Surf Pro, and he tells me that over the weekend they have answered at least 50 calls, with more people calling for help today.
When everybody's on the phone, they're in their moment, in the situation, and they need help. The great news is we have a number of crews that worked throughout the weekend. We're accustomed to this type of work, obviously.
He says most of those calls were due to water from nearby creeks and rivers entering homes and basements. Corey says he hopes situations like this hold as an eye-opener for homeowners.
Living close to a flood area, you might want to consider including flood insurance on your policy. We have seen, a number of these events are not covered events by insurance because your standard homeowner's insurance policy or commercial policy will not cover rising water or water that comes from outside.
The Savannah Riverkeeper and Veterans for Clean Water are taking water samples which will be tested for E. coli and other contaminants.
The rain event like we had, some of these sewer lines overflow, and then that gets into the water system. So we want to check to see what the E. coli levels are, see if the water's safe for people to be around.
And Todd does tell me that process of taking the water out of those homes takes about 3 to 4 days.
Ashley, we appreciate that live coverage tonight and hoping that the next system doesn't dump more rain in those folks' houses as we check in with Chief Meteorologist George Myers.